Hi, this is Dr. Jeff Mitchell with your 90 seconds of pain. What do you do with a hot, low back on a Monday morning? So when I say hot, low back, do you know what I mean? Like your back hurts so bad it might be burning, aching pain, and it's a Monday morning and you gotta go to work. Well, the problem is you waited too long. People always want to come into my office and they want a quick back cracking. And I waited 30 years, I've been having pain forever, and I woke up Monday morning, my back hurts so bad I can't bend over and tie my shoes, but I want you to fix it all in one visit. I don't know what to tell you. You can come in here. Most of the time we will not adjust you on your first visit because I need to find out what's actually wrong with you. If you want somebody to just willy-nilly start cricking and cracking and doing things to your back, go somewhere else. But if you want to actually find out what's wrong and you want an actual solution, that's what we're here for. I can help you solve your back problems. We can reduce them. We can get you on an exercise program, a therapy program, in office and at home, and we can actually solve these problems. But you have to call, and it's usually not best to wait until it absolutely explodes on you, and now you can't work and you can't tie your shoes and you've got a spouse or significant other who is having to help you walk to the car. By then it's probably too late. If you're one that's suffering from chronic pain and you're ignoring it, you're not doing anything about it, that you better come in now instead of waiting. Call my office, text us, email us, send a private message or a direct message on Facebook. We'd love to help you. We do have a new patient special. It's $47. We'll find out what the cause of your pain is. If we can help, we will let you know. If we cannot help, we'll also let you know about that. It's important to know when I can't help you as when I can help you. That's been your 90 seconds of pain with Dr. Mitchell. Bye-bye.